Introducing Strumis, the software material requirements planning solution that automates all your steel fabrication and manufacturing projects and processes. Structural steel, storage tanks and vessels, process pipes and tubing, miscellaneous and secondary steel, transmission towers. So why choose Strumis? We're different. Strumis connects, streamlines and simplifies all of your steel fabrication projects and resources. Reduce errors, save costs and increase productivity, with the added confidence of full traceability. Our industry-specific, cutting-edge software eliminates the need to re-enter data and addresses every process in the fabrication and manufacturing chain, freeing up staff to concentrate on what they do best. With Strumis, you're partnering with a team of experts who speak your language. Strumis is intuitive, scalable, and adaptive, with features and functions covering the entire production process, from design and estimating to fabrication and erection. We're proud to work with businesses big and small all over the world who trust us to maximize profitability and maintain their competitive edge. Strumis, bringing structure to steel.